Today I am excited to share with you my recipes with spaghetti and sauce with carrots. It's a unique quick twist with a classic dish, packed with flavor and coldness. Let's get started. For this recipe you want the following ingredients: garlic, carrot, onion, spaghetti, olive oil, pepper and salt. You can use herbs or ingredients of your choice, of course. It depends only on your choice, guys. Begin, peel and chop the carrot into small pieces, like this. Dice the onion and the garlic as well. In a pan, heat some olive oil over medium heat and add the carrots, the onions and the garlic. And add the carrots, the onions and the garlic. And I want from you guys and ladies to shoot them until they get softened and become fragrant. Now my heat is on the 9 number. I'm going to go at 4 for understand how much low you have to set the fire. And now we wait until my ingredient becomes softened and fragrant, as I said before. The water is boiled. Now I am going to add my spaghetti. The constructions from the company that create that spaghetti, that aim to boil it for 7 minutes. So I am going to boil it for about 4 minutes for become the spaghetti al dente. That's that I like on this recipe. Once my carrots are tender and my other ingredients, I will carefully transfer the mixture to a blender or a food processor. Now I am gonna to blend it until it becomes smooth, and I am gonna to add the vegetable broth gradually to reach your desired consistency. You want a variety sauce that will cool the spaghetti beautiful. I will add my pepper. I will add my salt. And I will add my virgin oil. And I will blend. Okay, my sauce is ready. I have pulled out the water from the spaghetti, and now I will gonna add my sauce. You can sprinkle some fresh herbs like parsley or basil on the top, and drizzle to foil can also enhance the presentation. And I put now my spaghettis on a plate. Very beautiful, very nice color, and obviously it will be very tasty. So let's give it a try. Okay, let's give it a try. I feel the texture from the carrot, and I think if you like the carrot, like ingredient to put it on other recipes, you are gonna to enjoy it. I feel also the olive oil and the garlic and the onion give a very smooth taste on this food recipe. I feel also that if I am gonna to eat all this, I am going to be full for maybe 6 hours to not to have something else, you know. I believe in this. Okay, I can't tell this recipe. This is a healthy food recipe because she have the spaghetti, and of course spaghetti is not a healthy option to eat, you know. But the carrots and the garlic and the onions is a very healthy option. Okay, that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching me. If you enjoyed my video, you know what to do to see it more people, and maybe also they like these recipes and they gonna to share it to other people. Thank you for joining me. See you in the next recipe.